When your Adobe Spark web page is complete and you are ready to submit it to As You Learn, you need to go to the top of the page to Share, and then you want to publish and share your link. So at this point, you can retitle if you would like. You can adjust your name and an image for yourself as a user if you would like. You could delete your photo credits, although I would discourage you from doing that. And you need to pick a category. So in our case, this is an educational project, and you create a link. Then this is what you would need to copy and paste into As You Learn right here. So one important thing to note is that if you edit the page after this point, then you would need to update this link. So here's what that looks like. As you can see, I changed my background image, so I have made a change. I now, when I go to share and publish and share link, have a message that says, hey, we noticed you made some changes. So I want to make sure that I click update link and that I watch and make sure that this process goes through successfully. And then at that point, here is the link that I can copy and share.